Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some space-saving hacks that will help you maximize every inch of your home. Whether you're in a small apartment or just want a little more breathing room, these tips are perfect for creating a more functional open space. First, let's start with the entryway. Use wall-mounted hooks or a narrow shelf to keep bags, keys, and mail off the floor. A floating shelf with small baskets for each family member keeps everything organized without taking up floor space. Next, let's talk about the kitchen. Stackable containers are changer. They save cabinet space, keep your pantry organized, and make ingredients easy to find. Adding a lazy Susan in the fridge or pantry also makes it easier to access everything without the clutter. For the bedroom, under the bed storage is a must. Flat storage bins or vacuum-sealed bags work wonders for seasonal clothes or extra bedding. For the closet, try tiered hangers to hang multiple items vertically. They take up less space and keep clothes wrinkle-free. In the bathroom, think vertical. Wall-mounted shelves above the toilet or sink add storage without taking up floor space. Magnetic strips inside cabinet doors are great for holding small items like tweezers, bobby pins, or nail clippers. And for the living room, multifunctional furniture is key. Consider ottomans that open for storage or coffee tables with built-in compartments. This way, you can store blankets, remotes, or magazines without cluttering the room. Finally, use door organizers anywhere. From the closet to the kitchen to the bathroom, door organizers can hold anything from cleaning supplies to shoes, freeing up valuable space elsewhere. With a few small changes, you can transform your space and make it work for you, no matter the size. Try a couple of these ideas and watch your home feel bigger and more organized in no time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more space-saving hacks. Let us know in the comments which space you'll tackle first. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.